We did it today. We got to the App Store and we launched our web app. Us and 461 of our mates in the Eggy army that came with us. We got there. It's been 15 months since we first started development on Eggy, and in that time we've brought together our awesome team and advisory board. We've raised funds and bootstrapped. We have built product. We have tested and iterated that product. We have done digital marketing, and we have done all the things to try and get it there, and today we finally got there.
And I guess we look pretty smashed, but I can hear everyone out there in tech land and app land laughing at us because they know that the work has only just begun for us. We pretty much lived on 3 hours sleep a night for the last 4 to 8 weeks, and it's been a massive, over a year. But this is reality. This is what it looks like.
But I guess we do it because we love it. We wouldn't be able to keep going if we didn't love it. And I guess why we love it is because it's a challenge. It's just constantly problem solving on your feet every single day, doing things that you've never done before and never thought that you could do. And every time that you actually achieve it and you do it, you kind of look back and go, oh wow, we did that. And then the next problem comes up, and as we experience today, there can be problems right up until the death that you're still having to solve, but we get there in the end. So, and I guess we love the problem too.
Yeah, I think that's, we get asked a lot, why would you put yourself through this? Like, we're what, 40-ish? 40-ish? I look about 25, I know. And, 2 young kids, people go, why do you put yourself through it? And genuinely, it started with the pain of life admin. Was we needed to solve the pain, and that keeps driving us because we have people gravitating towards us who feel the same, and that's a pretty incredible feeling. So the Eggy Army keeps us going.
And now that it's out there, and now that everything that us and our team have been pouring our hearts into over the last 15 months, now that it's out there, it's pretty bloody scary. It's also really exciting that now that the rubber really has hit the road, we can really get going and really start to create some magic.
And this is a bit counterintuitive because I know that I would actually probably feel a bit funny as well if I was trying to help some friends out of mine, but we need your constructive feedback because we have limited resources, and building tech is pretty expensive, and we can't afford to build things that people aren't going to use. So we really need feedback. We need you to tell us everything that's wrong with the app, what's right with everything we've done, so we can allocate those resources efficiently and make sure we're building something that's going to kick this problem in the face and make a lot of people happy. And we feel we'll change the lives of a lot of people if we can get this right. So give us your feedback, all of it.
So before you give us your feedback, if you haven't already, get into the App Store. Eggy should be the first result that you get when you search for Eggy in the App Store, or go to eggy.com.au and you can log in to use the web app there. So that's for people that use their PCs and web browsers, or for the Android users until we get your version out there.
And yeah, just want to say thank you guys. It's been one of the toughest things we've ever done in our lives, and your support in the Eggy Army and the rallying of the Eggy Army has just been unbelievable. Like tonight, we've just got people following our story. They understand what we're all trying to do at Team Eggy, and thank you for your support. It's totally irrational what we're doing, I think, and it's just keeping us in the fight. So thanks a lot.
Have a good weekend.
Sleep well.